Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome. Now, today we will take a new lesson. So, if you remember last time, we took what? Using verb to be is or am with objects, with things around your class, inside your class, how to tell about the place of the stuff in your class, the clock. We said what? Where is the clock? It's on the wall. Where is the pen? It's on the desk. Where is the computer? On the Where is the computer? Is on the table. So we learned how to tell about the location of the stuff in your classroom, plus also using the verb to be am is are. So, and after that we took what? Telling the location of people. So today we will take more exercises on the same lesson but with different questions. What does that mean? So the questions we have on this page, page 12, this is page 12. Open your books on page 12. This picture is not good, the quality is not good. الجودة للصفحة هذه is not good، ما هي جيدة، فلازم تشوف الكتاب. في خلل في حصل خلل two slides. Okay, but no problem. Page 12. So you just look. طيب راح ناخذ, we will take locations of people or locations of things, objects, like book, like cell phone, say like these stuffs. So we will not just take people only. No, we will take people and objects. Now look here, we have this exercise. Look at this exercise up here. Look at this area in your book. So we have here two girls, this one and this one, two girls, and we have this guy. He is not with them, he's somewhere else, he's far away from them. So this woman, she asked this one, she asked it, what did she say? Where's Bob? This is Bob, this is Bob. She asked her, where is Bob? Where's, if you see here, where's means what? Where is? She said he is in the living room. If you go back here, if you go back to the previous slide, you will find what? We have it here. Where is he? It's the same thing. If you say he, what does it mean? He. You can say he. What does it mean? If you can cancel he and use what? You can cancel he and use. Can you cancel he and use what? Ahmed, for example. Or let's say Ali. Or let's say George. Or let's say Peter. This is what he means. Okay. What about she? What does she? She means what? Elizabeth. Oh, Eliza. Elizabeth, Eliza. It's the same name. Eliza. Or for example, we have a girl named Fatima. Or we have Aisha. Or we have any girl name. Okay? This is what she means. It. What does it mean? It. It, anything not human. Yeah, for example, if you have animal, if you have a book, we call it what? It. Like for example, book, one book. We say what? It. Dog. Well, now they say dog, they say he, she with dogs. But still, in grammar, we still use it with dogs. We have what? Book, dog, car. All of these, it. So you can say she and you can say Eliza or Fatima or Aisha. You don't have, you use both of them. You do not use both of them. You cannot say she Eliza. No. You say she is, or you say Eliza is. Okay, you don't use both of them in the same sentence. You have to be careful. Now, let's look at the slide here. We have here what? She said what? He's in the living room. This is where he is. He is in the living room. Now, look at the second conversation. We have here a small girl. Do you see her in the background? And we have, this is the old woman and a young one. I think this is the grandma, and this is the mother. So the grandmother, she asked, what did she say? Where is Mary? This is Mary. So the mother, she said, she's in the bedroom. She is in the bedroom. So she asked in the name. She used what? Mary. Why didn't she say Mary? Mary is in the bedroom. Why didn't she say it? Why? Because both of them, they know they are talking about Mary. So she does not need to repeat the same name. So she can say what? She is in the bedroom. Okay? You do not need to use the name again to answer the question. You can say she or he. Now let's go to this conversation. Where's the car? So if you look at the picture in the background, you see the car. Where is it? In the garage. So he answered, it is in the garage. He means the car. Or he can say the car is in the garage. But he said it. Why? To make it short, and you do not need to use it again. The word car. So you can use what? It. Now let's go to this picture. Look at this boy. Where is he? Where is Tim? This is Tim. Where is he? Where is he? What do you say? You say he. He is a boy, so we use it what? He. I write it down here. Number 1. He is. Where is he? Yes. He is in the bedroom. Now, let's go to number 2. What do you see? You see a woman cutting the grass where her name is Rosa. So where is she? This is the house, and this is what? If you go back to the vocabulary we covered before, you will know that this is what? This is the yard. So we say what? Where's Rose? We say, come on guys, yes, she is in the yard. Excellent. Now let's go to the next exercise. Number 3. What do you see? You have a newspaper. This is the newspaper. This is the newspaper. And this is, where is it? It's where? We have a refrigerator. You can see what? Stuff, salt, pepper, containers. So this is obviously in the kitchen. So we say it is in the kitchen. So if you look here, this is boy. So we answer the question with he. We have here Rosa, a woman. So we answer the question with she. Here we have newspaper, something, think. It's not a human. So we use what? It. Number 4. What do you see? You have a woman. Her name is Peggy. She is sitting on a chair with watching TV. So she is, where is she? We say she is in the living room. Now let's go to number 5. Now look here, you have here what? A bed. This is a bed. You have here a telephone, you have stuff, you have here what? What is this? This is a book. Or this is the yellow book. In this book you find telephone numbers. So we call it what? Telephone book. Some people, they call it the yellow book. So where is the telephone book? We say what? It is on the bed. It is on the bed. This is the location of the telephone book. Now let's go to number 6. What do you see? You see an old man. His name is Harry. He lost his hair, but still he's combing his hair. Now, what do you see? Where is this? This is, you have a mirror, a sink, a green wall. So obviously this is the bathroom. So you say what? Do you say he, she, it, they, we, you? What do you say? Yes, he. He is in the bathroom. Correct. Now number seven. Now number seven is not clear, but look in your book at for the picture. Now look at number book. What's her name? Her name is Eileen. So where is Eileen sitting? Where is she sitting? Where is Eileen? So we say what? Yes, she is in the what? Dining room. She is eating. So she is in the dining room. Now let's go to number 8. Where is Kevin? This is Kevin. And where is he? He is what is this? What do we call it? We call it garage. So Kevin, do we say he, she, or it? Yes, we say he is in the garage. Now last one, 9. If you see, this is cell phone, and you have here the stove and the container. I think this is the coffee. Now what do we say? Where is the cell phone? Do we say he or she or it? Come on guys. Yes, it. It is in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Yes, correct. Excellent job. So these are the answer for these questions. So you have to be careful. These are very familiar, very common questions. You have to go back home and practice them again and again. Now, let's go to the next slide here. Let's look here. Now, let's look here. We have here a very important exercise on page 13. Open your book on page 13. We have a very important exercise here. We have a reading exercise. So, what I want to do, or what I will do, is to read the text here, and then after I read it, I want you to repeat after me. First, I will read it. Just be silent, be quiet, and then I will repeat it again, and you have to repeat after me. You have to say it after me for the second time. Okay? Now let me read, and then after that you have to read after me. Let's begin. Look at the text here in your book, because here it's not clear, so you have to look in your book. Now, let's begin. The students in my English class. The students in my English class are very interesting. Henry is Chinese. Look here in the picture here. This is Henry. He is what? Chinese. He is from Shanghai. He's from Shanghai. Linda is Puerto Rican. This is Linda. She is where she is from? Nationality Puerto Rican. She is Puerto Rican. This is the nationality of Linda. She's from San Juan. The city where she's from is San Juan. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. This is Mr. Kim and this is Mrs. Kim. They are from Korea. They are from Seoul. Seoul is the capital of Korea. They're from Seoul. Now, let's go to the next one. George is Greek. He's from where he's from? He's from Greece. This is George. He's from Greece. He is from Athens. Athens. Okay, the city is Athens. Carla, this is Carla. Carla is Italian. Carla is Italian. She is from Rome. Rome in Italy, a city. Rome is a city. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are Japanese. This is Mr. and Mrs. Sato are Japanese. They are from Japan. They are from Tokyo. The city is what? Tokyo. Next one. My friend Maria. This is Maria. My friend Maria and I are Mexican. They are where? This one. this person who is talking to us, who's telling us the story, and this one, they are what? We are from Mexico City. They are Mexican, and they are from Mexico City. Yes, the students in my English class are very interesting. We're from many different countries and we're friends. So, now I will repeat the story again and I want you to repeat after me. Okay? The students in my English class. The students in my English class are very interesting. Henry is Chinese. He's from Shanghai. Linda is Puerto Rican. She's from San Juan. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. They're from Seoul. George is Greek. He's from Athens. Carla is Italian. She's from Rome. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are Japanese. They're from Tokyo. My friend Maria and I are Mexican. We're from Mexico City. Yes, the students in my English class are very interesting. We're from many different countries and we're friends. Okay, now you have an exercise here. You have to speak with your friend about yourself, but we will not take it together. You can do it after the class with your friend to practice it. But now let's look at the questions here. We have a true or false. What does it mean, true or false? You have to answer with true. If the question is true, you put what, like this, true, or you put false, or you can say this is true and this is false. Whatever you want to write here. So for example, we have questions here. Number one, Linda is Korean. Is Linda Korean? So you look at the question and you look at the text for the answer. Is she Korean? Is it true? Is it true? Or is it false? What do you think? Look at the text. Let's look here. They said what? Look for Linda. Now the question is about Linda. Look for Linda. What is her name? This is her name. Linda is Puerto Rican. So number one is what? Is false. So number one is false. Number two, or we can do it on the you can do it right here. I think it's better to be clear. Number one is false. Okay, number two. Number two is George is Greek. What do you think? Look at the text. Is George Greek? Is he Greek? George is Greek. Yes, correct. So we put true. Okay, number three. I want you to do number three. I will give you 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Look at number three. Henry is from Mexico City. Look here for Henry. Is he from Mexico City? I will give you 30 seconds. Okay, what do you think, Henry? This is Henry. Is he from Mexico City? No, Henry is from China, so false. He's Chinese. Number four, Mr. Kim is from Seoul. This is Mr. Kim. Is he from Seoul? What do you think? Look at the text. Yes, he is from Seoul, so it's true. Number five. Number five, what do you think? Carla is Chinese. Is Carla Chinese? What do you think? Look at the text here. No, Carla is Italian. She is Italian, so false. Six. Number six. The students in the class are from many countries. Is it true they are from many countries? Are they only one country? They are from Saudi Arabia only. They all Saudis, or are they Chinese, Puerto Rican, Italian, Greek, Korean, Japanese, Mexican? So it's true. Yes, correct. Excellent job, guys. Very well done. So now let's go to the next exercise here. This one is very important to know. Now, how to say it. If you meet people for the first time, this is the park. This is the park. If you go around and you meet someone and you want to talk with him or make up a conversation and talk about something, about kids, about your job, about the weather, whatever, you want to talk with them. So how do you start up a conversation? So the question, you say what? Hi, how are you? The answer is fine. And you? You answer fine, thanks. This is very small conversation. I want you to practice it with your colleague after the class. This one is after the class. You have to do it after the class. It's very important to know how to speak. Now, if you want to learn the correct answer or the proper, you just go back to the page, you read A and your friend B, and then he reads A and you read B. Now let's go to the other book, activity book. Open your book, activity book, the other book. If you know the other one, the activity book, open it on page 7. Let's look at page 7. We will take an exercise here, a quick exercise. It's an important exercise actually, so you have to do it and be quickly. Now let's look at the question. What are they saying? What are they saying? Now these people are having conversations. You have 1, 2 until 8. All of these are what? Conversations. So you have to fill in the blanks with the words you have here. So you may use the same word more than once. You can use I'm more than one. You can use it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, no problem. But you have to be careful. Now I want you to look at the exercise and fill in the empty or the blank spaces. You just continue or complete the conversation. Yeah, for example, here number 1, where are you? She answer what? I'm in the. Where is she? Where is she? Who can tell me? Yes, she is. I'm in the. Where is it? Bedroom. This is bedroom. So we write here bedroom. So I just write number 1 here and number 1 here, so you know this is the correct answer. Okay, guys. Now I will let you just to check out this exercise and to do it. I will give you 5 minutes to do this exercise. I will give you 5 minutes. This is the timer. If it's all blue, then the time is up. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, guys, good luck. Begin. Do the exercise in your book, in your activity book. If you want to not make mistakes, try this way. For example, you put here, like me, number 1, number 1, number 2, where, what is the correct answer? If it's, for example, where, you just put number 2 here, you just write number 2, you just write number 2, and you write number 2 here. And then after that, when I give you the correct answer, you write it down. Okay, guys, good luck. I will have to repeat or restart the timer again for you. Okay guys, hurry up, you have 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. One minute left guys, hurry up. Just write the numbers, you don't have to write the full word, don't write the full word here, just put the number. Like for example here, number 3, 3, 4, 4. Just write the number. Okay guys, the time is almost up. Okay, 15 seconds. Okay, the time is up. Stop. So now we will stop. I will not give you the answer now. Just make sure, check it with your colleague, with your friend sits next to you. Check with him, check with his answers, discuss it, talk about it, and then next time I will give you the correct answers and check with your answers. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you inshallah next time.